Hello student, welcome to your chemistry lab. Today I will discuss the aniline, that is aromatic amine. I will discuss its preparation and its chemical properties in flowchart format. Now see the whiteboard. This is aniline, that is aromatic amine. Preparation of aniline. From nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene react with SnHCl, that is reduction, gives aniline. From chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with aqueous solution of ammonia at 250 to 350 degree centigrade temperature in presence of cuprous oxide as a catalyst under high pressure, that is 60 atm pressure, gives aniline. This process is known as Dawes process. From phenol. Phenol react with ammonia, that is NH3, in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degree centigrade temperature, gives aniline. From benzamide. Benzamide react with Br2KOH or Br2NOH, gives aniline. This is known as Hofmann degradation reaction. From carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with hydrazoic acid, that is N3H, and hydrolysis gives aniline. This is the Smith reaction. From acyl chloride, that is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride react with sodium azide and hydrolysis gives aniline. This reaction is called Cartesian reaction. From hydroxamic acid, that is phenyl hydroxamic acid. Phenyl hydroxamic acid react with diHCl and hydrolysis gives aniline. This reaction is known as Lawson reaction. From isocyanide, that is phenyl isocyanide. Phenyl isocyanide react with dilute HCl, that is hydrolysis, gives aniline. Next, chemical properties of aniline. First, reaction with mineral acid, that is HCl or H2SO. Aniline react with HCl, gives anilinium chloride or aniline hydrochloride. Reaction with alkyl halide. Aniline react with methyl iodide, gives N-methyl aniline. In presence of excess alkyl halide, gives secondary and tertiary amine, also form quaternary ammonium salt. This reaction is known as alkylation of amine. Reaction with acetyl chloride and acetic anhydride. Aniline react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine, gives acetanilide. Benzoylation. Aniline react with benzoyl chloride and heat, gives benzanilide, that is N-phenyl benzamide. Reaction with aldehyde. Aniline react with benzaldehyde and heat, gives benzylidene aniline, that is Schiff base. Carbylamine reaction. Aniline react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH and heat, gives phenyl isocyanide. This reaction is called carbylamine reaction. Phenyl isocyanide have extremely unpleasant smell, so a primary amine, that is aniline, can be easily detected by this reaction. Reaction with phosgene. Aniline react with phosgene, gives phenyl isocyanate. Oxidation. Aniline react with sodium dichromate in presence of H2SO4, that is chromic acid, gives parabenzoquinone. Next, aniline react with trifluoroporacetic acid, gives nitrobenzene. Next, aniline react with per-monosulfuric acid, that is Carros acid, gives nitrobenzene. diazotization. Aniline react with sodium nitrate in presence of dilute HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature gives diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Means aniline react with NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature gives benzene diazonium chloride. Here also you can use HNO2, that is nitrous acid. Nitrous acid produced in the reaction between sodium nitrate, that is NaNO2, and HCl. Next, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. First, halogenation. Amino group, that is NH2 group, sufficiently increase the electron density at ortho and para position of the ring through the plus R effect. So the ring becomes so active towards the electrophilic substitution reaction that all the hydrogen atom of ortho and para position can be substituted by halogen without any halogen carrier. First, chlorination. Aniline react with chlorine water at ordinary temperature gives a white precipitate of 2,4,6 trichloroaniline. Bromination. Aniline react with bromine water at ordinary temperature gives a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. How can you prepare monobromoaniline, ortho-bromoaniline, para-bromoaniline or meta-bromoaniline? Means how can you prepare monobromoaniline? Now I will discuss. Substitution in aniline ring in a particular position, that is selective substitution. For preferential substitution at a particular position in aniline ring, the high reactivity of the ring must be reduced. Means you should reduce the reactivity of aniline. For this purpose, NH2 group converted into NHCOCH3 group by acylation. The lone pair electron on nitrogen atom of NHCOCH3 group is attracted by the adjacent carbonyl group through resonance. This consequently interferes with its participation in resonance with pi electron in the ring, thereby reducing its reactivity. Preparation of para-bromoaniline. Means you can convert aniline to para-bromoaniline. This is aniline. Aniline react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride and heat gives acid analyte. And acid analyte react with Br2 in presence of acetic acid, that is bromine in presence of acetic acid gives para-bromoacetanilide. Para-bromoacetanilide react with dilute HCl or H3O positive or dilute NOH, that is hydrolysis, gives para-bromoaniline. Next, preparation of ortho-bromoaniline, means aniline to ortho-bromoaniline conversion. This is aniline. Aniline react with concentrated H2SO4 at 200 degree centigrade or 10% fuming H2SO4 at 180 degree centigrade gives sulfa-anilic acid. Next, sulfa-anilic acid react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride and heat gives this product. This product react with bromine in presence of acetic acid gives this product, that is bromine attached at ortho position. Next, and hydrolysis, that is this product react with dilute H2SO4, that is deacetylation and desulfonation gives ortho-bromoaniline. Next, preparation of m-bromoaniline, that is nitrobenzene to m-bromoaniline. You can't convert directly aniline to m-bromoaniline. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene react with Br2Fe gives m-bromo-nitrobenzene. M-bromo-nitrobenzene react with SnHCl, that is reduction, gives m-bromoaniline. Nitration. Nitration of aniline. Direct nitration of aniline is not carried out. Why? Because benzene ring in aniline is highly activated due to the presence of NH2. Hence, direct nitration of aniline with a mixed acid, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, gives rise to a complex mixture of mono, di, tri, nitro compounds. Moreover, electron-rich aniline ring, being highly susceptible to oxidation, get oxidized by the strong oxidizing agent like HNO3 to yield a different product. So, direct nitration of aniline is not carried out. So, how can you carry out nitration of aniline? In order to prevent oxidation by deactivating the benzene ring, means aniline is first converted to acetanilide by acylation. Nitration of acetanilide with mixed acid is possible. Nitration of acetanilide with mixed acid, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, gives ortho and para nitroacetanilide. Due to the large size of NHCOCH3 group, that is steric hindrance, para-nitroacetanilide, that is 90%, is obtained as the major product. Two isomers thus obtained are separated by crystallization of ethanol, the para isomer being hydrolyzed by acid or alkali produced para-nitroaniline. Next, preparation of para-nitroaniline, that is conversion of aniline to para-nitroaniline. This is aniline. Aniline react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride and heat gives acetanilide. Acetanilide react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 gives ortho-nitroacetanilide and para-nitroacetanilide. Here para-nitroacetanilide is a major product, that is 90% is from Then next, hydrolysis of para-nitroacetanilide gives para-nitroaniline. Next, preparation of ortho-nitroaniline, that is conversion of aniline to ortho-nitroaniline. This is aniline. Aniline react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl or CH3CO(O). Heat gives acetanilide. Acetanilide react with concentrated H2SO4 gives para-ethanamido benzene sulfonic acid. Next, react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 gives 4-ethanamido 3-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Then hydrolysis, that is this compound react with H2SO4 and heat gives ortho-nitroaniline. Preparation of meta-nitroaniline, that is aniline to meta-nitroaniline conversion. This is aniline. Aniline react with concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3, that is nitration of aniline in presence of 98% H2SO4. In presence of concentrated H2SO4, NH2 group act as a electron attacking group, that is minus I effect, and meta directing NH3 positive group gives this product, and hydrolysis this product gives m-nitroaniline. Alternative method. M-nitroaniline is produced by selective reduction of one nitro group of meta-dinitrobenzene using ethanolic solution of ammonium hydrogen sulfide. This is meta-dinitrobenzene react with ammonium hydrogen sulfide in presence of ethanol gives m-nitroaniline. Next, iodination. Aniline react with iodine in presence of aqueous sodium bicarbonate solution gives para-iodoaniline. Next, sulfonation. Aniline react with concentrated H2SO4 at 200 degrees centigrade and heat gives phenyl sulfamic acid, and heat, that is rearrangement, gives orthoanilylic acid, and also heat rearrangement sulfanoanilylic acid. So thank you everyone. You have listening and watching and understanding. Tell some of your friends, it will be easy for them also to study chemistry. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and to press the bell icon for get new notification of new classes of your chemistry lab. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.